In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor A2 hosting uptime, a critical task to ensure that your website stays online and operational. Let's dive in together to make the monitoring process both simple and effective. To kick things off, you'll first need to log into your A2 hosting client portal. Use your credentials to access the backend where you manage your services. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to locate your specific hosting service. Navigate to My Services and select your hosting plan. This will take you to a more detailed page where you can manage and view all pertinent information. Now that you're on your hosting details page, look for and click on View Details or Manage to open up the specific information related to your hosting account. This includes a plethora of tools and analytics that can be quite beneficial for site maintenance. As you scroll down this information page, keep an eye out for the Uptime Monitor or Server Status section. A2 Hosting provides internal monitoring updates here, which are imperative for checking if your website is experiencing any downtime. Knowing where to find this information can save you time and ensure you can act promptly if issues arise. But what if you want to keep an eye on the server status at any given time? Head over to status.a2hosting.com to check live server status whenever you need to. This additional resource is handy when you suspect there might be an issue and you're away from your client portal. For those looking for more robust tracking, consider connecting your site to an external monitoring service. These third-party tools are excellent for real-time uptime tracking and provide another layer of peace of mind. Options include popular services like UptimeRobot.com, Better Uptime, and Pingdom. Each of these platforms offers unique features for monitoring and alerts, tailored to make tracking effortless. After selecting the right uptime tool for you, the next step is to add your website's URL within the tool and set the ideal check interval, such as every 5 minutes. This customizes how frequently the tool should check if your site is online, giving you near instantaneous notifications. Furthermore, implementing email or SMS alerts ensures you're immediately notified of any downtime. Missing this step could result in an extended period where your site is offline without your knowledge, potentially affecting traffic and business. Finally, remember to regularly review your uptime reports via the monitoring dashboard. This ensures that your A2 hosting account meets the promised 99.9% uptime guarantee. If you notice consistent downtime, it's crucial to contact A2 hosting support. They'll be able to look into any